was born in a humble manger, God's gift to us, a divine love. Those